Hey guys, this is me. Hi, Melilicious. This is good morning. I'm trying to start a new series here. It's get ready with me in my car before I go to work. I have about 5 minutes to do my eye makeup. I don't have very much time. I don't have time in the morning to do my makeup at home because I like to sleep. But I have to get in. I have to get into work early. So this is all for you guys that don't have kids or have kids and don't have time. So here's a quick see how I do. That's sounds like that's the train, but it's not here yet. It's not supposed to be here yet. It might be some other train, but anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. This is the Shade and Light by Katvond. I recently got this eyeshadow palette. It's very pretty. The only lighting I have here is my car light. So this is for busy girls. I only have time to actually do full-time tutorials when I'm at home on the weekend. So, but I thought it would be a cool week thing to do. So I'm gonna start with this shade right here. I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid and set that primer that I put on. That is the train, but not my train, some other train. Fun sounds, right? Okay, so I've set my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go in with this brush. It's a big fluffy brush. I'm gonna start in with this brown right here, and I'm gonna start applying it in the crease. They're not labeled, so it's kind of hard. To tell you which one it is, so I'm just gonna point to it. Hazards of doing live videos. All right, I'm gonna go back in here. That is still not my train. I have 5 minutes, dang it. And I'm gonna use them. It's a nice crease shadow. Whee! Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with this creasy brush right here, and I'm gonna go in with this reddish brown right there. I'm gonna put it at the very outer corner. Not a lot. And to the other eye. As you can see, I have bags because I'm so sleepy. There's that. Okay, I'm done with this shadow palette. Now I'm gonna go in with this skin pencil, which is Skin from Iceland, Solutions for Stressed Skin. I'm gonna apply a little bit under my eyes to kind of help them a little bit, and hopefully it'll help the bags because they're not pretty. Just pat that in. It's a very neutral color for a day for work, but I like a little shimmer. Oh, where's my little shadow thingy? I had it over here. Oh, here it is. I'm gonna use this MAC magnetic, and I'm gonna use this Mysterious Influence, and the color is this beautiful green. So I need a brush to apply it. So I'm gonna use this little brush right here, and here we go. Oh, that skin feels so good, that little cream. I'm gonna put it right in the inner corner of the eyelid, and kind of mix it in with that reddish brown I added. Do the other side. That's how it looks. Not too bad. A-okay. I'm gonna cover my shadow again to protect it. Put it back in its box. I know I'm crazy, but whatever. I know this takes time. All right, so there's that. So now let's go in with the eyebrows, ladies. Here we go. I don't usually have a lot of time to do this, but goodness gracious, today I will, before I get on that train. The face is easier for me to do. It's the eyes that take the most time. Let's do the little gel. All right. Hey guys, sorry that video this morning cut off. My alarm went off, so I had to kind of hustle my way to the train. But this is the makeup look that I completed today, and so hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.